Hello friends. In our last video, we have created our first mobile application, a contact information form with the help of .NET MOI framework. In this video, we will use the power of AI to generate the same code base. So let's start this video. Open the Visual Studio. Create new project. Search for MOI template. Select .NET MOI app. Click on next. Give it some name. Next. Create. Now it's creating the folder structure of our application. Okay, so it's loaded. Here we are. Open the main page .xaml. Double click. So now it is open. The main page .xaml is open. Let's remove all this code, out of the box code. In our last video, we have created a contact information form with couple of fields by using the grid layout. And in this video, we will do the same thing but with the help of AI. We will generate the same code with AI. Let's open the ChatGPT. Generate the contact information form for MOI. Okay, so here we have the code generated by ChatGPT. We will copy this code and paste it here. One thing you need to notice that content page tag, this tag, we already have this tag, so we don't need this tag in the pasted code. So we will remove these two tags. And the stop tag. So in the pasted code, the code which was generated by the AI, we have a label contact information, then an entry text box, email entry, phone entry, and a message editor, your message. And then we have a button for the submit. And one more thing we noticed, that we have a clicked event initialized here. We don't need this event here, so we will remove this. Control S, save. Build the project and play. Okay, so we received a couple of errors. Counter btn does not exist in the current context, because we have created this project from Visual Studio, and its out of the box code was not cleaned yet, so we need to clean this code. Here is the declaration of the counter button which we have removed in the start of our project. Let's clear it out. We don't need this count. Control save. Now let's build it again. Build succeed. And here we have the form: full name, email address, phone number, and address. So this is the form which is generated by the help of AI. Thanks for watching this video.